Yes, good morning students. This is myself is Dr. Veera Prakash, PhD from CSIR Institute. So, so today I'm going to discuss about a Kenizaru reaction. So what is meant by Kenizaru reaction is that it's a very interesting and very important reaction, and easily you can prepare carboxylic acids and alcohols. So what is the important criteria for the Kenizaru reaction is that without alpha hydrogens of aldehydes in presence of a strong base like potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide are deuterated, even deuterated potassium hydroxide or deuterated, so even calcium hydroxide or barium hydroxide so yields acids and as well as alcohols. So it is a redox, the Kenizaru reaction is a type of very important, is a redox reaction, and also it's another name you can call it as a disproportionation reaction. So highly reactive, for example in a given aldehydes without alpha hydrogen, so highly reactive aldehydes undergoes oxidation and less reactive aldehydes undergoes reduction reaction. So that's why, so very important. So that, so for example you can see the question is that why 2-aldopyrrole or 4-NN dimethyl benzaldehyde. So what is the name of this one? So 1 2 3 4. So 4 N, N dimethyl N, dimethyl benzaldehyde. So N, N dimethyl benzaldehyde not involved in Kenizaru reaction. So what is the reason here? The reason is that, so because of the pherol, 2-aldopyrrole also very important in example, so not involved in Kenizaru reaction. Why? Because you can see that because in presence of a basic medium, this proton it can involve in it can loses this proton. So it is this proton is involved in a reaction, so that it doesn't involve in a Kenizaru reaction. Another one, so dimethyl, so it is a highly electron donating group, so very good electron donating group. So there is a decreased electrophilicity in this carbon, so that even 4 NN dimethyl benzaldehyde do not involved in Kenizaru reaction, and 2-aldopyrrole also not involved in a Kenizaru reaction. So the first example we will see. So for example 2 moles of formaldehyde undergoes in presence of a concentrated sodium hydroxide. So what are the product? One is undergoes oxidation, so sodium formate and methyl alcohol. So this is the example. So this is the example of Kenizaru reaction. And number 2, and even in the case of benzaldehyde, so this is the benzaldehyde, 2 moles of benzaldehyde undergoes concentrated potassium hydroxide. So now one of the aldehyde, so one of the aldehydes undergoes oxidation, so COO minus Na plus sodium benzoate plus benzyl alcohol CH2OH, CH2OH. And third example, so even in the presence of a deuterium, for example the now deuterium is there, and in presence of, so sodium hydroxide concentrated. So now what are the product? So very interesting is that COO minus Na plus and plus CH3OD. So this is the, and CH2OD. So in this example, so you can see that the deuterium is present in alcohol. So deuterium is there in presence of a aldehyde, deuterium is there. So this is the isotope. In this isotope the deuterium is present in alcohol. So these are the important examples. So we look at the and different another example. So for example, so example fourth example, so Kenijaru reaction fourth example. So for example, this is the a benzaldehyde and a reaction with potassium. So now here is a deuterium is there. So now what are the products? So COO minus K plus, and so here also it will be there. Yeah, CH2OD. So that is the alcohol deuterium is present. So this is the A product and this is the B product. So very important is that once the deuterium is there, that deuterium is present in alcoholic. And another fifth example, so even you can see that, so tertiary butyl, so this is also it undergoes concentrated potassium hydroxide. So what is the product? One is the undergoes oxidation and another one undergoes, so now, so tertiary potassium, so now this is the tertiary butyl carboxylic acid and another one is the neopentyl alcohol. This is neopentyl alcohol and this is the neopentyl carboxylic acid, neopentyl, so carboxylic acid. So this is the very important example of Kenijaru reaction. Even but so this is the a furan. So furan aldehyde also undergoes, sodium hydroxide undergoes Kenijaru reaction. So it undergoes oxidation, COO minus Na plus and furan alcohol CH2OH. So this is also one of the important reaction. So now, so two different kinds of aldehydes, for example formaldehyde is there and benzaldehyde is there. So in this one, what are the products in Kenijaru reaction? So sodium hydroxide. So now we know that aldehydes are more reactive so than benzaldehyde, so it will undergoes oxidation and benzaldehyde undergoes reduction. So what are the products now? We can expect that, so formaldehyde undergoes formic acid and benzaldehyde converted to benzyl alcohol. So this is the oxidation product and this is the reduction product. So even another example, you can see that for example, so benzaldehyde is there and 4-nitro benzaldehyde is there. So now we know that compared to benzaldehyde, 4-nitro benzaldehyde is more reactive in presence of a concentrated sodium hydroxide. So that what are the products? The products are, so 4-nitro benzoic acid plus and benzyl alcohol. So because of this nitro group, according to general organic chemistry, so we do know that this is the minus M group, so that it will withdraw the electron and so it will further decreases the electron density surrounding this carbon, so that it undergoes oxidation and benzaldehyde undergoes a reduction. And so another important example is that, for example, you can see CH2OH and CHO and CH2OH and CH2OH. So in presence of a, so this is the reaction with formaldehyde and sodium hydroxide. So that because of this is the formaldehyde is more reactive, so that the products are formic acid and it's a very important example CH2OH and CH2OH and CH2OH and CH2OH. So this is the product can be the form. So then another example we will see. Almost this is the sixth example, and this is seventh example, and this is eighth example, and this is ninth example. So 10th example we'll see. For example, CHO is there and CHO is there, and in place of a OH, so what are the products? So one, because intramolecular or intramolecular, you can see within the molecule, so Kenijaru reaction, so one undergoes oxidation, COO minus Na plus, and another undergoes a reduction, CH2OH. And so even 11th example, for example, so phthalaldehyde, CHO and CHO is there, so this is phthalic anhydride, this is phthalic aldehyde. So this phthalic aldehyde undergoes OH minus, concentrated sodium hydroxide. So one aldehyde undergoes oxidation, COO minus, Na plus, and CH2OH. So this is the Kenijaru reaction. Then what is the mechanism? So mechanism of Kenijaru's reaction. So what is the mechanism of Kenijaru reaction? So very important. So for example, aldehyde is there. Aldehyde in presence of concentrated OH minus is a nucleophile. So nucleophile here, and RO minus and OH and hydrogen will be there. So now, so what will form? So once this electrons can be shifted like this, and another mole of aldehyde, so now this hydride shift. So now internal this hydride shift, very important. So hydride or deuterium shift. So now this is the nucleophile. So now this is the hydride or deuterium, it can shift as a nucleophile. So that, so what is the product now? So RC double bond OH plus RCO minus and hydrogen. So we know that carboxylic acids are stronger acidic nature than alcohol, so that it can easily, this proton can migrate to alkoxide side, and it will form O minus and Na plus, and finally so the carboxylate salt plus alcohol. So this is the mechanism of Kenijaru reaction. So what is the mechanism of Kenijaru reaction? Even so, for example, a deuterium is there, the mechanism too. So even in the case of a deuterium is there, and so that, so in presence of a base, so it is a nucleophile, and RCD and O minus and OH. So now you can see this is the shifting of this one, and another mole of aldehydes, and now this is the deuterium D minus. So deuterium as a nucleophile, so that it can form it can form RC double bond OH plus RC deuterium and hydrogen and OH. So like that. So this is the, so now interestingly, if it is a deuterium is present in this one, the deuterium is present in alcoholic, so as a deuterium. So this is the very good important product in Kenijaru reaction. And another internal, very important, so internal crossed Kenijaru reaction. Kenijaru's reaction. So what is mean by internal crossed Kenijaru reaction? For example, you can see this is the C double bond O and C double bond OH. So two carbonyls are there in presence of a basic medium. So what is the product? So the product is, so benzene and CH and OH and COO minus Na plus. So this is the alpha hydroxy and alpha hydroxy 2 phenyl ethanoic acid. So this is the product. So this is called internal crossed Cannizzaro reaction. So what is the mechanism of this one? And you can see this is the act as a, because even ketone is there, aldehyde is there, but this is the more reactive, so that it will form a. So what is the mechanism of this internal crossed Cannizzaro reaction? So hydrogen is there and OH is there and O minus is there. So once it can shift like this, and this hydride ion as a nucleophile. So hydride shift as a nucleophile. So the product is, so the benzene and CO minus and hydrogen as a nucleophile and COOH. So already I mentioned that this is a very important product, and this is the carboxylic acid. Proton is highly acidic, so that it can move like this, and so like that. So this is the internal cross Cannizzaro product, alpha hydroxy phenyl ethanoic acid. So another example, if it is the, so both are, for example, C double bond O and C double bond O, so like this. So diketones, so 1 comma 2 diketones of this one. So what is the a product? It's a very good example of this one, diketone. So internal crossed Cannizzaro reaction. So this is the diphenyl and COO minus. So this is the product. So what is the mechanism of this one? You can see that it is a nucleophile, and it can form a C minus here, and so that C minus and here OH, C double bond O, and here there is a, so once it will shift here, and now the phenyl group as a nucleophile. The phenyl can be shifted like this, and so that the product is, this is the product. So this is the, so now this is the very good examples for internal crossed Cannizzaro reactions. So this is about Cannizzaro reaction. Thank you.